Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily manage WSD settings on your CANON i-SENSYS MF657. So first, we're gonna go into the menu. Now here, we're gonna go to Preferences and go to the network. Now, let's go to TCP and IP settings and select the WSD settings right here. So here we have them. Here we have used WDS printing, browsing, scanning, computer scanning, and multicast discovery. So here we can basically change those settings. As you guys can see, I cannot change the browsing and computer scanning. It's probably because I'm not connecting to the PC, or maybe it's because those settings are turned off and on. So now, as you guys can see, we can manage those settings, and that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.